USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. And before we do that, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you'll find some links. It says join the membership, Telegram, broker. So check them out in your free time. You can join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the brokers and this membership. So if you want to maximize your Forex trading and gold trading, then check out the benefits listed on this monthly membership and you can join if you want to. Now let's get back to USDCAD and starting with the top-down approach with weekly. So in the weekly, what do we have? In the weekly, we have been trying so hard to come to this low, which we are not even near to. Okay, so we crossed the EMA a long time ago on 7th of April or 14th of April. Since then, it's been a month. In 1 month, we haven't had any huge movements. So we are supposed to come to this low in weekly in the next coming weeks. But this is the reason I haven't been trading the USDCAD since Trump came, because understand, Canadian is a too weak currency. You know, Canadian is too weak to do anything with $2. Okay, so since Trump has come in the power in January 2025, since then Canadian has nothing. Okay, Canadian has nothing to offer. Canadian is not strong enough to take down dollar. Okay, so that is why I don't trade Canadian since Trump came, and there are many opportunities apart from USDCAD which you can trade. As per my recommendation, don't touch USDCAD as of now. Canadian has no no capability, no strongness to take down dollar. Okay, even though the whole trend is down, we are in the daily downtrend, weekly downtrend in USDCAD, but I don't see any, strongness in Canadian to work against dollar. Okay, so I think it's only it's like a, what do you say, consolidation. I can't speak this word. It's trying to consolidate. Okay, so here what we have, we created the new low in daily, then pull back, then we might go down again. But the problem is, I just don't trade USDCAD because not many pips are there to offer. Okay, so if I come back to 4 hour, in 4 hour you can see we have broken the EMA again. So in 4 hour we have touched the EMA so many times in the past. You see, in 4 hour we broke the EMA here, then we went down, then we broke the EMA again, then we came down, we broke the EMA again, we came down, we broke the EMA again, we came down, we broke the EMA again, we came down, we broke the EMA, and we're coming down. So we don't have a clear picture with the USDCAD because, every time it breaks the EMA, it doesn't go up. You see, it breaks the EMA, but it does not continue the uptrend. It breaks the EMA here, that does not continue the uptrend. It breaks the EMA here, does not continue the uptrend. It breaks the EMA here, does not continue the uptrend. And most probably, it will not even continue the uptrend here. God knows, okay? Maybe it can merely be a pullback. After the pullback, we might go up. Who knows? Nobody knows, okay? But as of the, if you see the past history, every time it has touched the EMA, it has come down again. Okay, so this is very dodgy for me, USDCAD, even though the overall trend is, what we say, sell. So if you want to trade USDCAD for whatever reason, look for sells only. But I think it's not worth it. Don't waste your time in USDCAD. There are more opportunities, many opportunities. You can go and check out my analysis on Euro USD and other pairs on my channel and find an opportunity there. So USDCAD very, very shady there, because since Trump came, I'm telling you again, Canadian has nothing, to take down dollar. Okay, so USDCAD dodgy for me. If you get 10, 20 pips, I'm not talking about that. I don't talk about getting 10 pips here, 20 pips there. No, I'm talking about swing trading. So do I see dollar going down against Canadian and giving me 200 pips? I don't see that. Okay, so if I talk about swing trading, USDCAD is the last pair I want to trade right now. And Canadian has nothing which can take down dollar. Okay, so if you're a short-term trader, you can trade 4 hour this pullback, as you can see here. Okay, so this can give you maybe 20 pips. If you are like scalp or something, go and enter sell, take your 10-20 pips and walk away, or just see if this is an uptrend. So uptrend, pullback, then wait for blue confirmation candle, then enter buy it. But USDCAD risky for me. Not clear what's going to happen, even though it's in the downtrend, but I can't close my eyes and enter 200 pips sell in USDCAD right now. So I'm not going to touch this trade, and the rest is up to you. If you like what you see, subscribe and like. But I'm recording the video at a different time. You're watching it at a different time, and live trades we enter at a different time. So if you want some live action, make sure you join the monthly membership, subscribe, like, share the video with your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.